Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on Rema Graphics we're going to be looking at how to download fonts and install them to our PixelLab application. Before I get started, if you know you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, I'll advise you to do so as not to miss any of my updates. Hit that notification bell so you get a notification every time I drop a video. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Chrome browser and then you search for dafont.com. Alright, now we are in the fonts and then we can see some series of fonts here. Let me just take you through the website. If you come here, you see this red box here. These are the themes you can pick from. You pick from any of these themes. If you are looking for something like cartoon, you can click here. Let's click on cartoon. I'm going to install one of these fonts. You want to just come over to this download button here and then you click download, and then you can see that our file is downloading. It has downloaded. Now that is downloaded, we need to go to our Play Store app and install Z-Archive. Here it is. I already have mine installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Okay, here is the interface of Z-Archive. All you need to do now is just go to the folder where your font was downloaded. In this case, mine is in download, so I'll just go here and then I'll change the arrangement so I can see. Then here is my font. Now I'm going to just tap on the font and then click extract. This one, the fourth option here, extract, and then it should select a destination folder. So I'll go back, I'll create a folder now, click on this tab button, plus button, create a folder, and then I'll name it my font, and then click on this kind of download icon here, and then that's just going to extract it to this folder. Now this is the extracted form of our text. Now you want to go to your PixelLab application. So let's add the font now. Go to font and then go to my font and then see these two here. This is for opening a file and this is for opening a folder. So since we created a folder called my font, we're going to tap on the second one and then we'll look for our folder. There it is. Just going to click on it and then you click on add directory and it has added our font. There it is. So this is our font. Alright guys, that's going to be all for this video. video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share and comment on this video. And if you also have any other things that you want me to make a video on, make sure to comment it. Thank you. See you all in the next video. Bye.